adaptive direct assembly with the DEPRAG Adaptive DFS DEPRAG fastening system. The new adaptive fastening unit, Adaptive DFS, combines EC servo screwdriving technology with EC servo stroke technology. The communication between the closed-loop systems allows automatic recognition of the penetration of the sheet metal parts, independently from material and screw tolerances. The controls continuously evaluate the relevant current values and automatically adjust process parameters such as downforce, feed distance and speeds to the predetermined set points. The process is continuously optimized. This means ideal process parameters are reliably adhered to during each individual screwdriving cycle. Costly, time-consuming parameter adjustment and joint analysis procedures are reduced to a minimum or completely eliminated. The continuous feedback from the control modules enables automatic, accurate recognition of the penetration point. Real-time autonomous parameter alterations are made by both the EC screwdriving and the EC stroke system. Ideal and automatic adjustment of process parameters ensure that the assembled parts and screws are exposed to the least possible stress. Further advantages of the Adaptive DFS are the reduced cycle times and the optimal utilization of parameters like speed and torque, depending on the material. The separate electronic regulation of stroke and screw drive offers wide-ranging parameter setting possibilities. This assures high flexibility when processing different materials and material combinations, and substantially reduces the effort required for joint pre-analysis and parameter setting. The controlled positioning technology ensures that positioning procedures and changeover points are exact. For example, a defined positioning force, transition distance or predetermined angle values can then be reapplied to future materials and new fasteners. Moreover, a precise feed rate can be maintained to conform with the screw's thread pitch if the material or the fastener does not allow any axial load. Furthermore, the additional processing data enhances the screwdriving documentation. The central lead-in of the downforce of up to 3,500 N on the fastener axis prevents transverse load. The entire fastening system is optimized so as to achieve the shortest possible cycle times. While the system is processing one fastener, the next fastener is pre-fed to a distributor. The fastening system has an ergonomic, intuitively serviceable operator interface. Extensive integrated diagnostic functions form the basis for preventive maintenance and maximum uptime of the machine. Because process parameters and assembly results are recorded, complete documentation and analysis is possible. Due to the regulated electric drive of the stroke, any screw position can be accurately accessed. With underfloor or inverted applications, the fastener is rigidly held by the socket. Additionally, the screwdriving time is shortened because only a very short stroke is necessary. The new fastening system operates at a speed of up to 8,000 revolutions per minute with a maximum of 15 Newton-meters torque. The modular design, in connection with a quick change adaptation, makes the system especially maintenance-friendly. Optionally, the system can be equipped with an automatic tool changer. Either rear or top robot mounting is possible. The feeding of the fastener is carried out through a feed hose or by using a magazine for the fasteners. Feeding the screw head first into the revolver distributor avoids damage to the screw tip. The cycle time is optimized by feeding one fastener while driving another one. For underfloor applications, the revolver distributor is equipped with a lock function that prevents the screw from falling back into the feed hose. The major advantages of the Adaptive DFS are highest processing reliability, shortest possible cycle times, optimal thread forming, elimination of thread damage, low stress on fastener and part, minimal setup time. The optimal device for new materials, new fasteners and new fastening technologies. With these qualities, the Adaptive DFS is a total innovation in car body assembly, increasing process reliability of flow form assembly to a level previously unknown. Adaptive Direct Assembly. You can find more information about the Adaptive DFS on our website DEPRAG.com.